Good morning, guys. It's our third day here in Siargao and the second day of our tour. So we're on our land tour right now. Of course, courtesy of Coast Travel, and we're going to a lot of places today. So we'll take you with us sa aming adventure for today. Are you ready, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready.
So ayan, let's go. Kuya Dondon ang aming driver for today, and Kuya Alvin, right? Ang aming tour guide. Hello po mga kuya.
Morning.
Good morning. Dito kami ngayon sa overlooking ng Maasin River.
Paano ko yung natatapin ng kamay?
Bababa sa baba.
Ha?
Look at that, guys. Grabe, puro coconut trees. So beautiful. Uy.
Yung Maasin River, guys. Nakikita nyo na famous na ano yan. Diyan dati nagsiswing, merong rope, pero ngayon wala na. Tinatanggal daw ni Mayor. Inisida ano. Nakikita ba nila kung gano'ng kalinaw yung tubig? Over there.
So we got here at the Port of Del Carmen. Guys, we're going to take a 45-minute boat ride going to Sugba, Lagoon. Napaka-importante na e-health pass kasi hinahanap talaga nila yan every time magtutour kayo dito. Like here, magla-login kami and everything, and they're looking for our e-health pass when we sign in. So, don't forget to register, guys, when you go here. Saan po ate? Kahit saan po dito?
Sinipigay mo nga yan, kuya?
Welcome to Sugba Lagoon. Ready ka na bang tumalon? Ha? Mga ilang beses ka tatalon?
Depende sa energy ko umakyat.
Takot si Mami. Hindi.
Tayo kayo pareho. Dito sa banda rito. Alam ko hindi kaya ni Martha yan dyan eh.
Game. Go! Oh my God, baby, careful! Ay! Grabe, ang adventurous talaga nito. Yeah. One more?
Sarap na tubig, baby. Kaso malalim sa'yo. Ayaw ko siya. Ito kaya mo.
Jump one more.
Ha?
Isa pa. It's the perfect time to go here sa Siargao because there's just so few people going to the attraction. So like here sa Sugba Lagoon, usually puno talaga siya. So you're gonna wait for your turn to jump and everything and take your photos. But here, I think 3 groups lang kami. Umuwi na yung isa. So 2 groups na lang kami ngayon na nandito sa Sugba Lagoon. And here's the thing where you will jump. Pero syempre, hindi ko kaya mag-jump. So hanggang picture lang tayo, guys. Si Zing nag-jump as you saw earlier. But yeah, if you want to visit Siargao, this is the best time. Sugba Lagoon all to ourselves. Look how clear the water is. After nito, kuya, lunch na. Ay, kay Anthony. Gutom na. Hindi naman tumalon. Nagpadaan kami sa isang church dito sa Del Carmen. Our Lady of Del Carmen Church. Ganda guys. So, everywhere we go, talagang gusto namin dumadaan sa simbahan para, you know, blessings. Siyempre guys, yung aking tradition, every time I visit a new church, before I go in, knock 3 times, and then make your wish. So, let's do that. Andito na kami ngayon. We are gonna eat lunch for our last tour. Sa may 1,000. Ang ganda ng view guys. Oh my god, it's amazing. But look at the waves. Pang surfer talaga siya. Look at the waves. Bababa kami sa may dalampasigan in the hopes na makapag-picture kami. Maayos.
Ayan lang yung gusto niya, guys. Look at those waves. Crazy. Weird ng panahon dito, guys. Ang weather dito parang babae. Di ba, baby, no? Uulan na araw, tutuyuin, walang toyo, good food. Yan. Behind the scenes ng mga stories niya.
Lunch! Nag-curry kami ni Papa, katsudon si Mama. Curry din. And then this is octopus. Walk kami. Going to Secret Beach. 10 minutes walk from the entrance. So, let's see. Nag-swim lang kami saglit here sa Secret Beach. Oh, warm yung water. Masarap. By the way guys, my top is from Savvy Swim. Lola Pearl Top. Super nice. Super ganda ng fit kahit sa mga small chested. So, okay na okay talaga siya. Ano oras na ba?
Quarter. Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Yun na, sa Cloud9 na. Tapos uwi na. Back in our hotel. Chill na lang kami sa pool, eating coconuts. Tapos na kaming maligo. Andito na kami ngayon sa lobby ng hotel. Magdi-dinner kami. Bumili kami ng shrimp sa palengke kanina. Tapos pinaluto lang namin sila Ate Arlene. Tapos nagpaluto rin kami ng kanin para makakain kami ng dinner. Ayan si Ate Arlene from Tropic. Hi Ate! So niluto nila yung shrimp namin.
Dagdagan na lang natin ng table.
Super sarap. Yan, nag-download kami ng mga Netflix movies para mapanood sa kwarto. Kamusta baby? Solve ka ba?
Dami mo nakain, girl.
Busog po ba? Ayan guys. Guys, papakilala ko sa inyo yung mga masisipag at mabubuting mga staff dito sa Tropical Temple. Inaasikaso talaga nila kami ng bongga. So, ayan. Sila yung nagluto ng shrimp namin. Ang dami namin nakain. Ayan, si Ate Abby. Pag pumunta kayo rito, hanapin nyo lang siya. Lulutuan niya kayo. At syempre, nakita nyo na kanina, si Ate Arlene. Hi. Ang surfer ng Tropical Temple. And si Ate. Anong name ni Ate? Hi, Ate. Hannah. So, ito yung kitchen. Talagang pumasok na ako sa kitchen nila, guys. I was also worried hindi ako makakapag-suob while I'm here in Siargao. Pero ayan, there's some percolator and they have this little kawali and then salt for our suob later. Ayan, guys, iwas planning. Tapos, ayan sila. Si Papa tsaka si Dee, nag-decide sila ng breakfast for tomorrow while downloading movies. I got my iPad from JM Store PH. So they offer a lot of cheap Apple products. So, talagang lowest in the market yung nakita ko sa kanila. Kaya, sa kanila ako nag-purchase. So, this is iPad Air 4. And then Apple Pencil as well. So, you can contact them on their Instagram page. I'll put it on the description box. And check out nyo sila. Hi, Milo! So, siya yung dog dito sa Tropical Temple. He's a corgi. So cute. Daming dogs dito sa Siargao. And they're so bait. Hindi sila malandi. Grabe guys, sobrang weird ng weather dito sa Siargao ngayon. As in, uulan siya for like 5 minutes and then aaraw. Tapos uulan, like 3 minutes or 1 minute lang nga minsan. Tapos magiging ganyan, windy, tapos mawawala. So, ayan guys, we're back in the hotel room. Tingnan naman yung outfita natin guys, pambahay na pambahay. I have my pangsuob handy. So, this ends our day 3 vlog. See you tomorrow guys. It's gonna be a chill day. Sa pool lang kami and everything. So, yeah, we'll see you. Good night! Good morning! Init na ulo ng baby ko kasi gutom na siya. Wala pa yung food namin. Hi, baby. Guys, it's our 4th day here in Siargao and we're still here at Tropical Temple. It's a chill day. So, wala kaming tours or anything ngayon. So, our plan is just to stay here in the hotel and chill by the pool area, which is all ours. Pero ngayon nililinis pa nila, so later on pa kami pwedeng mag-swim dyan. And this is our room. Ayan, may mga nakasabit ng mga basa-basa. Na aking baby mainit na ang ulo dahil gutom na. Wala pa yung delivery ng food namin. Wala akong timer, shucks. Hindi niya din nila. And we just finished breakfast. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog while having breakfast kasi sobrang uminit na yung ulo nila dahil so sobrang gutom. Yung nag-deliver kasi ng food namin naligaw sa ibang hotel na punta. So, ayun, right now it's around 11 AM and we're just gonna stay here in the hotel the whole day. Mamaya, mga 4 PM, magpupunta kami sa Cloud9. And at 2 PM, I have a meeting with Bren, our photographer for our prenup shoot here in Siargao. And I'm so excited for that. But right now, I'm going to the lobby kasi I'm gonna get our buko. And then we're gonna chill by the pool and swim lang today. And I need to work a little bit. So, punta natin sila Ate Arj. Look at the structure of this place. It's so nice. It's so cozy. At sobrang babait pa ng staff nila. Katulad ni Ate Arlene and ni Ate Abby. Kunin ko lang yung buko namin, ate. So, ayan guys. Nakuha ko na yung aming buko and there you go. Andyan na yung mga tools namin. Mag-chill lang kami by the pool. Ayan na si Zing. Ayan. Solo talaga namin siya guys. Kaya ang sarap lang mag-chill. Hindi ka masyadong matatakot. Plus, ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Hindi na umuulan katulad kanina. So, let's go. And, umulan guys. Ang sarap-sarap ng chill namin. Biglang lumakas yung ulan. Kanina sobrang sunny. Ewan ko ba? Ang weird ng weather lately, but still enjoying the pool area. Mag-swim pa rin kami kahit umulan.
Thunder!
Lightning, thunder. So, ayan, nagbubuko na lang kami dito sa may covered. And, of course, guys, if you wanna get my speaker, this is only 340 pesos sa Lazada. So, swipe up if you wanna purchase that. At ayan, ang aking asawa, nagkakalkal ng laman ng buko. At ito naman yung aking water bottle na lagi ko ring dala. Para lagi tayong hydrated. Lunchtime. We're having pizza and pasta. While raining. Chill, chill.
While training.
Poolside lunch. Lumakas na talaga yung Julan, mga besh. Ayan guys, papunta na ako sa lobby kasi nandiyan na si Bren, tsaka yung videographer. Nagagawa ng prenup namin. Here's the Siargao. So, let's go guys. Grabe, lakas ng ulan talaga. Ayan na sila guys. This is Bren. You can follow him on his Instagram at BrenStormin. So yan. The link is on the description box and you have your IG. What's your IG? I'm sorry.
IG account is August Eyesight.
August Eyesight. Yeah. So sila yung gagawa ng aming prenup here in Siargao. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so because it's raining outside still, nakahiga lang kami sa aming hotel room the whole day. So, ayun, yun lang ginawa namin. Turbalex.
Hindi ko nagagawin yun.
Gawin mo yung turbalex.
Turbalex.
Papakita ko sa inyo yung weather outside.
What is the weather? Saan pupunta?
Papakita ko sa kanya yung weather today. Madilim na sa labas, guys. Waiting na lang kami sa dinner. But it's still raining outside. Ay, but it's okay. It's a chill day. Chill day. Hello. We just finished dinner and now nag-e-empake na kami ng aming mga gamit because we're gonna check out here sa Tropical Temple at lilipat kami sa Villa Cali, yung resort nila calls, and ayan, pake na kami ng gamit kasi medyo maaga ang sundo namin bukas, 9 o'clock a.m. So we're gonna miss this place. Ayan guys, sinabit ko na yung susuotin bukas. Konti na lang ang iligpit. Villa Cali! Look at that. This is the pool area.
Hi!
Zing's Burger. Wala na kaming pamasahe.
Hey, beautiful.